guys, on today's video, I'm taking a look at this iPhone 16 that we just got today. So, the iPhone 16, here's the box. Not much information around it. But on the back, you guys are going to see the serial number, how many gigs it's got, and all that stuff. And there are two tabs that we have to open up. So we have to take that one out. Then there's another one here, so we can actually open this up. So we're just going to take that one out. There we go. And finally, the box will just open up like so. So here it is. We're going to put this on the side so you guys can see what's inside the box. And what do we have? Well, we got, that's a tool for our SIM card and this cable. So this cable is USB-C. We're going to take that out in a second. And here's our manuals. So I shouldn't call them manuals, I guess, just paperwork for your phone. There are no stickers for those of you who love those Apple stickers. And inside this box, there's nothing else. That's it. So at this point in time, you're looking at everything you get inside the box. But anyways, let's just get started. Open these guys up. Now here is the cable that we get with the iPhone 16. And yep, it's the exact same one that you guys get with the 16 Plus, by the way. So if you're watching this video, just to see what cable you get, exact same one, USB-C. And how can you make sure it's the legit one? Well, besides, that's the one that came with the box. Right here, if we zoom in, there's no Apple logos or anything like that, but there's really small writing in there. It's all the writing that you guys are going to see around the cable. So if I turn this around, there's nothing more. And that's it. Around the cable, the braided, because it is braided, there's no numbers, no Apple logos, nothing. So this is the cable that we get with the iPhone. So again, it's a pretty standard cable, nothing to it. It is braided, the one that you guys get. Both sides should be USB-C. And yes, any side can go into your phone and the other one to your computer or your laptop to charge up. Now here is the SIM card tool. Let me just zoom in a little bit. That's the one that we get in order to just insert our SIM card, which is something necessary for us to make calls, get data, and all that stuff on our phone. So this is it. If you guys ever lose this, don't worry about it. Use your earring and that will work just fine. Now remember I said that you get manuals? Yeah, this is the paperwork. So there's not much to show you about the paperwork itself. If you guys want to check out the setup video, I do have a setup video manual for your phone. So that's where you guys get to see this in action, not just what's inside the box like this video right here. But anyways, let's just take a look at the phone. So here is the phone. And again, iPhone 16. I'm going to just show you around. Actually, let's just take this out. Although I'm always paranoid while taking this out because I don't want to get any type of scratch before I put on my screen protector. But anyways, I'm going to be careful with not touching the screen. Hopefully won't fail at that. Around it, so ports. So there's buttons, SIM card. Then we have the only port that you're going to see on an iPhone, which is right here. Then we got this right here, more buttons. Nothing here. So at the top. And that's it. That's it for the ports. The camera itself is going to be looking on the back. You guys can see two lenses. On the front, you guys will also see a camera. That's for your selfies. Then as the color itself, for some reason on my camera, it looks way more blue than in real life. Real life, it looks way more purple. So I'm not sure why that is. But yeah, it looks more like, see this purple here near the lenses? That's how this looks. So it doesn't look as blue. In camera, it looks a lot more blue. Not sure why. But that's always the problem when you order these guys. You don't really know the color, even if you're looking at the website itself. It's never the same color that you guys will see once it reaches your house. It's always going to be slightly different. So again, this is a purple color, but it just looks blue on camera for some reason. So let's just turn it on. So to turn on for the very first time, we can just tap our power button, hold on to it, and we should see an Apple logo loading up very soon. And there we go, there's the Apple logo. So here we go, Apple logo is loading up. Phone should be turning on very soon, so you guys can appreciate the screen just a little bit. Again, it's hard to appreciate screens and all that stuff in a video, but at least you guys get a glance. And after all this unboxing video, so we got to see everything that's inside the box already. That's how the phone looks like. Again, it's an iPhone 16, so this is the standard one. Obviously, the Plus, it's a little bit bigger. I do have the Plus, so you guys can see the differences between the Plus and this guy. Because there is a difference between the two in size. And other than that, there's really not much more to show you. Just again, the camera's up there. I already showed you guys all the buttons that it's got, ports, the back of it, how it looks like. There's not much to it. The two lenses. Now the screen itself, it's a nice screen. Pretty much the same thing as all the other phones. It's got that black border around it. But as far as an unboxing goes, we are all done. That's it. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.